Hello and welcome, and today I am going to recreate a Reddit tutorial on how to make Tallywood in Infinite Craft from scratch. So to start off with, we'll need to make weed. Water plus earth equals plant. Plant plus wind equals dandelion. Dandelion plus plant makes weed. Let's put that off to the side and make people. So to start with, you mix earth with wind to make dust. Now you mix dust with water to make mud. Next, you combine mud with fire to make a brick. Next, you combine earth with dust to make a planet. And then you combine planet with brick to make Mars. And Mars plus earth equals life. Now life plus earth equals human. We good? Okay. Next we're gonna need to make a count. First off, water plus fire equals steam. Steam plus steam equals cloud. Human plus cloud equals angel. Human plus angel equals Cupid. Cupid plus human equals love. Love plus love equals heart. Now, heart plus water equals blood. Combine human with blood to make vampire. Now combine that with weed. Combine vampire with weed to make count. Combine count with count to make number. Combine count with number to make counting. Next you're gonna need to make a mark. So to make mark, first off you're gonna need to take Mars and combine it with dust to make a rover. Rover plus Mars equals curiosity. Curiosity plus curiosity equals question. Now put that off to the side. Now to make engine, you will need to mix fire with steam to make engine. And next make engine with steam to make train. Next you mixed engine with engine to make rocket. And then you mix rocket with train to make bullet train. And next you mix fire with bullet train to make bullet. Sorry a second. You're also gonna need to make paper. So first make earth plus plant equals tree. Tree plus tree equals forest. Tree plus forest equals wood. Wood plus water equals paper. Now bullet plus paper equals target. Target plus target equals bullseye. Bullseye plus question equals mark. Next, you will need to make counting plus mark to make town. You will need to make a... so combine that with park. Now to make park, you will first need to mix earth with love to make garden. And garden plus garden to make park. Forest plus park equals camping. Next step. Paper plus angel equals Bible. Bible plus human equals Jesus. Jesus plus camping equals campus. Next, we are going to need to make the state of Michigan. So, first off, you'll need to make earth plus earth to make mountain. And then mountain plus water equals lake. But cloud plus lake equals rain. Rain plus water equals rainbow. Next off, mix lake with lake to make ocean. And mix that with mountain to make island. And mix island with island to make continent. Now continent plus rainbow equals America. Now mix earth with America to make USA. And next mix USA with lake to make Michigan. Now, campus plus Michigan equals Ann Arbor. And now, you know where this is going. Mix Ann Arbor with Delhi to make Delhi. And there you go. You've done it. You brilliant son of a bitch.